How ChatGPT is changing the game. Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT, an innovative conversational language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT has been making waves in the AI community, and it's easy to see why. This AI model has the ability to generate human-like responses to input prompts in a way that has never been seen before. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a deep learning model that has been trained on a massive corpus of text data. This allows it to generate text responses that are similar to what a human might say in response to a prompt. The goal of ChatGPT is to enable natural language interactions between humans and AI, making it possible for AI to perform a variety of language tasks such as answering questions, generating creative writing, or translating languages. So how does ChatGPT work? It all starts with inputting a prompt in natural language. This could be a question, a statement, or any other type of input. ChatGPT then generates a response based on its training data, providing a coherent and relevant answer to the input prompt. One of the most exciting things about ChatGPT is how it's changing the game in the world of AI. With its ability to generate human-like responses, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. For example, it could be used to build more natural and intuitive conversational interfaces, making it easier for people to interact with AI. Of course, ChatGPT is not without its limitations. It's important to keep in mind that it is still an AI model, and it's not perfect. The quality and relevance of its responses will depend on the complexity of the prompt, the diversity of its training data, and its ability to generalize from that data. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT represents a major step forward in the development of AI and its ability to interact with humans in a natural way. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in this area, and the possibilities for what can be achieved with AI will continue to expand. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a game changer in the world of AI and conversational technology. Its ability to generate human-like responses has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and opens up a world of possibilities for what can be achieved with AI. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.